Keep going, and I'll just talk a little bit.
So we have to.
This is a Rotary Club dinner that I'm sponsoring for 22 people, plus the help. And we're having...
Don't forget 10 Australians.
Oh,
Australians.
they're Australians from the Rotary Club in Australia. And they're having, my first course is a chicken, sausage, and okra gumbo.
Nice.
And most of them never tasted anything like this because they don't cook like this down there. So they're enjoying it. And then later on, we'll have a main course. And then dessert. So we'll continue with this. Thank you. And now we serve the main course, which was a rolled stuffed pork loin with a fruit stuffing, a potato, roast potato with shallot, broccoli, fresh broccoli with mushrooms, and I hope everybody's happy.
Wonderful.
Perfect, thank you.
Very nice.
And if anybody wants more, you can have more because we have more.
It is just wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you.
Jeff, you want more gravy? Is that him over there? Who's over there?
Anybody else need more? That's yours.
I'm getting away from this time.
And finally, for dessert, we have some, the only thing I made that's on the table for dessert were the fruit platters. The cantaloupe, honeydew, watermelon, and pineapple. Everything else was store-bought.
Wow.
Just not enough time to do everything. So they're all happy and they're enjoying themselves. And that's the end of a Rotary Club dinner from Australia. Done in my house in Island Park, New York. This is a close-up of the gumbo that I made for that Rotary Club party, the Australians. The difference is, for today, this is the following day, I added shrimps because we love shrimps in ours. And we couldn't have it yesterday because a few people can't have seafood. What a bummer. And then a close-up of the veal. The rolled stuffed veal. I'll just move the dressing so you can see the pinwheel effect. I love veal so much that I call this pork veal. Excuse me.